Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Google Play Games error code NU80040904. This error occurs when users try to install through the Google Play Games installer. The installation reaches 100% but then hangs for a few minutes and displays the error. According to our research, the error can occur due to missing administrative privileges, disabled hardware virtualization, or temporary server issues during the installation process. The first thing you should check is your system's administrative privileges. Make sure you are running the installation as an administrator. If you are running as administrator but it still doesn't work, then try enabling hardware virtualization from your system's BIOS settings. Once enabled, reboot your PC and check if the issue is resolved. If the error still comes then, go to play.google.com/googleplaygames and try downloading the Play Games installer again. Simply run the installer and check if the error still occurs. If the error still comes, then try again later, as there might be a temporary communication issue with the server. If none of these steps work, then visit support.google.com/googleplay/gethelp and contact Google Play Support to report the issue. They might be able to assist you further. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.